Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show us how we can create inventory item on QuickBooks. Then not just create them, also identify them by location, shelf, serial number. Depends on how your numbering is or how your storage facility looks like. Okay, so the first thing you do in QuickBooks, you go to list and you go to item list. Remember, when you want to create a product or service, you go down to item list. So I'm going to click on this or Ctrl N for new product. So I want to create a new item, inventory, because we want to actually track it by the binary number, the and also the location. So mind you, before you start, you would have already have a system on ground, maybe like a cabinet or like a shelf. You already have all these things in ground. So for easy location of this item from your QuickBooks, you must have tagged or labeled those shelf, okay, with a number or alphabet. So those number and alphabet that you labeled this shelf with, or that location, is what you want to now translate into QuickBooks. So now let's say we want to deal with laptop. Just want to be as brief as possible. Then if you are manufacturing it or you actually bought it and it has a manufacturer part number, you include it here. That is useful when you want to purchase from your supplier, so that they can easily identify the particular laptop you are requesting or demanding for. Okay, now the description will go similarly. You might still have the manufacturer's part number here. Okay, let's go straight to the point. Now the cost and the sales price, I'll just leave that empty. Now we want to actually work on the location. So if you look at this custom field, once you click on this custom field, you see there is a location. So let's say the location, you tag your location based on let's say alphabet. So I have 5 locations, and each of these locations are alphabetical, like A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so let me go with A. Then the shelf, I number the shelf. Okay, let's say by we have like 5 shelf, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelf, right? Okay, then you might decide that okay, let's go with the third shelf. So this item is going to be located on the third shelf. Sorry. So I have it as 3. But mind you, in the shelf there might be a bin number. In that shelf there might be a particular sub shelf again. Let's say in the particular box of a box shaped shelf, you might have like 4 different storage location. So let's say the other binary number, the binary number now can be, let's say 2, the second location in the third shelf, found in location A. Depending on how if you have your location, your shelf binary number different from this, fine, good, you can actually go with that. And if this inventory also have a serial number, there are some specific kind of serial number that you might have designed to uniquely identify this inventory item. So let's say you have it maybe by your company name. Let's say AFM, then we have slash 1 slash A or B slash B slash 065. So let's say this is 65th. So it depends on how you actually want to uniquely identify this item. Okay, now this is just yet. Okay, so once I click on OK, so remember you have to note down we have location A, shelf 3, and number 2. Okay, so I'm going to quickly just note that down. Why am I noting it down? Because I want to create a report and identify this item based on this location, shelf, and bin. So I only created one item, which is a laptop. Okay, okay, we are good to go now. So as of, I'm using today's date, 2024, sorry, 23, we use 23, and 04 is the month, just like the required us to do. The date before the month before date and year, there's an income account. So I'm going to go select the income account. Let's see over here. Okay, we have income account here. So if we don't have the specific one you are working on, so you can just go and add a new account. From here I can just say product sales, product income. I'll just leave it that way, product income. But most importantly, you have your income selected. So save and close, then okay. So now remember, we don't have any quantity, it's just a new item, so there is no quantity. So but I'm not actually interested in the quantity. I want to actually see the report on that stock. So I go to report here, I go to inventory, then stock status by item. So as I click on that, I click to date. See, this date is that date, or I just leave it as at 2024, then 23, and then this should be 04. Then I can just have this as 04/01/2024. Then once I refresh that, I just scroll down. But then in order to get this item, that's the essence of having. So I'm going to customize, then I will filter. So I want to go by location, and the location, let me just remove this first. I don't want these other items here. I only need one. Okay, location A. So I click on OK. You see now that it came up with only laptop, because that is the item we have in location A. But if I'm not interested in location A, I want to actually see shelf 3. I can still go back, go to filter, maybe cancel this, then go to shelf. So we're talking about the third shelf. Okay, click on OK, and that, see, we have others in third shelf, but you can see over here there is laptop, 0 quantity. So what about the item, and identify them by location. If you're interested in just the location, or in the shelf number, or the binary number. So I think we have a binary, we also have binary number. If you go to filter, go to bin, I think the bin number was 2. Let me click. Okay, I can leave that. Bin shelf 3, bin 2. I think it can go, and if it doesn't, we'll go. So you can see we have. What about we include, let's say, the 3 filter. So let's say location also. Location, I think this can work. So location A, shelf number 3, binary number 2. Hopefully we have that. So you can see you can also narrow it down to a specific range. In this case now, you see we have it as we filter based on location A, binary number 2, and shelf number 3. A specific one, you can go directly on that. So with this, I believe we now know how to create an item in QuickBooks, an inventory item, and also identify those items by location, by binary number, by shelf number, or serial number, and whatever other approach you might want to use in tracking this inventory. Okay, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can like my video, turn on your notification, because when I make new videos, you be the first to see or get notified and not miss out on any update I have. If you have any question, please drop it on the comment section. I will be more happy to answer those questions.